The more corn a farmer plants per acre, the greater the yield the farmer can expect, but only up to a point. Too many plants per acre can cause overcrowding and decrease yields. The data give crop yields per acre for various densities of corn plantings, as found by researchers at a university test farm. So here we are given the density in 1,000 plants per acre and the crop yield in bushels per acre. And so we're going to enter this into the graphing calculator, pressing Stat 1 for edit. We end up with this screen. I'm going to enter the numbers from 15 up to 50 in steps of 5. So 15, down arrow, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Then use the right arrow to go over to L2. We enter 44, 97, 119, 139, 141, 121, 94, and 68. And so let's go into the window screen and let's change X min to 0, X max to 150. I'm sorry, I'm looking at the wrong side. Let's go X max to 55. And Y min from 0 to 150. So I'll clear out the previous Y max and put in 150, which would be 150 bushels per acre. Now we go second Y equals to check that our plot 1 is on. Mine is. If necessary, turn yours on by first of all selecting this one and then clicking on the on. So now we press graph and we see the scatter plot. So now we're going to get the quadratic equation that parallels this scatter plot. We're going to go Stat, over to the right 1, 5 for quadratic polynomial, second 1 for L1, comma second 2 for L2. Press enter, and there we have our coefficients. So negative 0.272 or 3. I believe we are this time wanting to round to 3 decimal places. Yes, that is correct. The B is 18.104, and the C is negative 161.756. And so coming back here, we're going to be plotting y versus x here, where y is the crop yield and x is the density in 1,000 plants per acre. So we're going to have negative negative 0.273 x squared plus 18.104 x minus 161.756. Now we'll go back to the graphing calculator. Back to y equals, go var 5 to the right 2, then press 2 for a, x squared plus var 5, 2 to the right, 3 for b, x plus var 5, 2 to the right, 4 for c, and hit graph. And we see that it's a very good fit there. And so part C asks us then to use our results from part B to estimate the yield for 31,000 plants per acre, round to the nearest integer. And so now we're going to go back and do second trace, which gives us calc, value for 1, and our x value is going to be 31,000. And I've got a calculator problem here. And so I'm going to press 31, hit enter, and it gives me 137.4, or 137 bushels per acre, which looks reasonable because we have yields of 139 bushels and 141 bushels. This is actually lower than either of those, but within the possible range.